To check your Nvidia driver version, the approach varies depending on your operating system. The most common operating systems compatible with Nvidia cards are Windows and Linux. On Windows, there are 3 methods: using the Nvidia Control Panel, Device Manager, or Command Prompt. To use the Nvidia Control Panel, right-click on your desktop, select the Nvidia Control Panel, and then click on the System Information option from the Help menu to find the driver version in the Details section. Alternatively, using Device Manager, press the Windows and X keys. Select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapter section. Right-click on your Nvidia graphics card, and go to the Driver tab to find the driver version. The command prompt method involves pressing the Windows and R keys, typing CMD and pressing Enter. Then typing a specific command and pressing Enter to find the line that includes your Nvidia graphics card and its driver version. On Linux, specifically Ubuntu or Debian-based systems, the Nvidia driver version can be checked using the command line. Open a terminal interface and execute the command NVIDIA SMI to get a detailed account of your Nvidia GPU, including the driver version. The same command can be used on Red Hat and Fedora-based Linux distributions. Checking the Nvidia driver version on macOS is different, as macOS primarily uses AMD graphics cards. However, if an external GPU connected to a Mac uses an Nvidia graphics card, the driver version can be checked using Terminal. To do this, open the Terminal application, type a specific command, and press Enter to display information about loaded kernel extensions or cached related to Nvidia. Look for the one that mentions Nvidia and check its version. Overall, checking the Nvidia driver version is a straightforward process across different operating systems.